Hi guys, in this video I will explain tips that will make your computer work faster. Tip number 1, clean up your hard drive from unnecessary data. First, go to your system drive partition from this PC icon, then right-click, select Properties. Second, select Disk Cleanup, then wait until calculation is finished. Select all items in the list to be cleaned, then confirm. Tip number 2 is to check your disk to repair disk errors. First, go to your system drive partition from this PC icon, then right-click, select Properties. Go to Tools tab, then select Check, after that select Scan Drive. Then wait until it finish, it may take a while. Tip number 3 is to disable unwanted application from running in startup. First, right-click on the taskbar, then select Task Manager, after that select Startup tab. Then right-click on the unwanted application from starting up, then disable it. Tip number 4 is to reduce visual effects for best performance. First, right-click on this PC icon, then select Properties. Then select Advanced System Settings, after that, under Performance section select Settings. Finally, under Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for best performance, then confirm. Tip number 5 is to disable unwanted services. On the keyboard, click Windows key plus R to open Run box, then write msconfig, then click OK. System configuration window will appear, select Services tab, then select Hide all Microsoft Service box. Now all third-party related services will be listed only, select the unwanted services to disable them. Tip number 6 is to clean the PC from viruses. First, go to your antivirus program that you have installed. Currently I have Avast as an example. Then do a full scan to clean the computer from nasty files. Tip number 7 is to uninstall unwanted programs. First, click on the Start menu, then search for Control Panel, then select Programs and Features from the right side. List of programs will be shown. Right-click from the unwanted program, then select Uninstall or change to uninstall it. Tip number 8 is to update Windows and device drivers. First, click on Start menu, then search for Windows Update, then select Check for updates. Click on Check Now, then wait for updates to download and installed. A restart may be required. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.